restless with no sense of time for what once was, in denial that we might never get it back again. What if the future is better than what is desired to be repeated? Wonder on what can be done in the present, then cast gloom on all we knew. There are simple ways to laugh, kinder ways to journey through memories. Now it's important to find a joyful way to live too.
I just think words are such a good way of healing. In the last, I would say 5-10 years, if I've had a bad time or something like that, I've always written it. I love words. Nature is still around me, the sun still shines the same. The grass is green, the sky is still a vivid blue. The stars are still twinkling and talking to the moon. Everything looks familiar in my garden, but the world outside my front door has changed.
No one was really ready for the severity of this pandemic, and people will now realize we're just a small part of the real world. And this is just a wake-up call, because we have been taking too much for granted all these years.
I can just do anything really. I can just choose what type of poem I want to do, that how I feel that day, what my mood is. The river rushes under me, the water lulling the sun to sleep. A grey wagtail lands on the ivy-strangled handrail. A pheasant squawk echoes. The green-collared bird flutters up to roost.
The idea that somebody has written out these pieces and they live in the area that they've been put up, they get to walk past that and see that every day. It just kind of drives it home to that individual that their talent is worth something.
It just feels like this is an amazing city that has extraordinary potential. It's up to us to think about its future and shape it, because it's our city and it's up to us to think about what we do with it in the future.